Welcome to the Mueller Electric close-up clips, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our 7/8" 16 UN connector size, used in industrial heavier-duty applications where high voltage and high current capacities are necessary. Applications include mining, military systems, aerospace, medical equipment, and underwater. 7/8" 16 UN connectors provide a secure connection to connect equipment and control systems, or the connection between two pieces of electronic equipment. The 7/8" 16 UN connector configuration is male or female and has various orientations with straight, right angle, and open end, overmolded, shielded or unshielded, 16 and 18 AWG, and 3, 4, 5, and 6 pin positions. The voltage rating is 300 volts AC/DC, with 3-pin position at 13 amp current and at 9 amp current with 4, 5, and 6 pin positions. PVC, polyvinyl chloride, cable material. PVC is known for durability, flexibility, and resistance to water and chemicals, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Mueller Electric's 7/8" 16 UN instrumentation cable complies with IEC 61076-2-101 and Industry 4.0. CE certified. Our cables are RoHS 3 and REACH compliant and IP68 safety rated. Our 7/8" 16 UN cables are made at our headquarters in Akron, Ohio, USA. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. This makes them a great option for original equipment manufacturers and electronic distribution partners. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.